trapping again. We're just going to do normal rolling, okay? Normal rolling like this. From here, when I get to the BongSau, I'm just going to bring my elbow straight down towards his center line, okay? By bringing it straight down, I'm trying to trap both his hands. Okay? But don't, remember this finger actually goes down to his center too, so he moves away, moves backward, you see, goes straight to the center. Okay, so both elbow towards his center and the fingers towards his center. Trap both his arms with your, it's like a lower BongSau, or could be an elbow strike. Okay. With that movement. Later on you'll be using it as an elbow strike, straight into their face. Okay. So here, BongSau, trap. You have to turn your body just a little bit, okay? But when you're turning your body, you still focus towards them. Here. Okay. This other hand here, you notice when it goes over, you trap both his hands. When this hand takes over trapping both the hands, this one can be released. Watch it slowly. It's still BongSau's controlling. BongSau's controlling. Now this BongSau comes over, drops straight down. Okay, now I've got both his hands trapped. Then I can release this one. Strike through. Okay. So I did a 5-step like this. Got it? Okay, so when you're training, do it nice and easy. That's all we're doing, nice and easy. Okay, so take it to me. Slowly. If BongSau comes in. Slowly, so make sure you get it done properly. That's it. That's it. You know the counter to this one? We already did it, okay? Remember as you drop his hand through, go. Okay, do it again. The counter to this one goes through. You just roll your BongSau up to counter that and rotate your body. Remember that one? Okay, now that, maybe just do that trapping. Yeah. Take a step. Just let them do it, don't counter it. Okay, so we're actually learning to trap two hands with one of your hands, go, and have the other hand free to strike through.